Okay, question number 1 of this section reads as follows. Given that x over 3 minus x into 4 minus x is equivalent to p over 3 minus x plus q over 4 minus x, a. p is equal to 3, q is equal to 4, b. p is equal to 4, q is equal to negative 3, c. p is equal to 3, q is negative 4, and d. p is equal to negative 3, q is equals to negative 4. So this is a partial fraction. We have x divided by 3 minus x into 4 minus x equivalent to p over 3 minus x plus q over 4 minus x. We take the LCM, 3 minus x into 4 minus x. When we divide, that will be p times 4 minus x plus q times 3 minus x. So the new denominators are equal, therefore we equate the denominators. That will give us x equal p into 4 minus x plus q into 3 minus x. We open the brackets, we obtain 4p plus 3q minus p plus q times x. So we do by identity, coefficient of x on the left hand side 1 should be coefficient of x on the right hand side negative of p plus q. The constant term on the left hand side 0 has to be equal to constant term on the right hand side 4p plus 3q. So those are two equations in two unknowns. We solve simultaneously for values of p and q. This implies p plus q is negative 1 and 4p plus 3q is 0. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and taking equation 2 minus 3 times equation 1, we are going to obtain 4p minus 3p, which is p. We'll get 3q minus 3q, which is 0, equal to 0 minus 3 times negative 1, 0 minus 3, which is 3. So p is 3. We put p equal to 3 in equation 1. We obtain 3 plus q equals to negative 1. So we obtain q as negative 1 minus 3, negative 4. Therefore, we are saying that our p is 3 and q is negative 4 as our values. Therefore, the answer is going to be C. So the correct answer is C. P equals 3, q equals negative 4. Let's move on to question number 2.